How to use silicone rubber self-fusing tape. 1. Ensure that the surface is clean, free of dust, oil and other impurities. 2. Prepare the silicone rubber self-fusing tape and cut it to the desired length. 3. Peel off one side of the release paper from the tape. 4. Hold one end of the silicone rubber self-fusing tape and start wrapping it from one end of the object. 5. Maintain consistent tension and continue wrapping, ensuring an overlap rate of approximately 50% between layers. 6. Apply sufficient pressure to ensure that the silicone rubber self-fusing tape adheres securely to the item. 7. Stick the silicone rubber self-fusing tape as close to the edges of the item as possible to ensure a tight seal. Cautions: avoid stretching the tape excessively during application. Apply even pressure to prevent air bubbles or wrinkles.